All right, y'all, we're gonna get started with a little Dua Lipa cardio tone. We start with a lift, right, left, 2 rolls to the center. Lift and twist. Up, down, up, twist, roll. Woo! Last time. Good. Big push to the right and rock. Left. We're gonna clap it up. 4, 3, 2. Big push. We slide. Push and push. Clap it up. 4, 3. Right foot is gonna march to the front, to the back, to the front, to the back. You got it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Lift twist to the left this time. 2 rolls. Woo. Last time here. I like 2 more sets. Keep it going. Last time. And then we're going into that slide. Big push to the left. Push. Switch. Push. Clap it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big push. Clap it up. That's it. Left foot goes forward. To the front, to the back. That's it. Big push. Last 2. Lift twist to the right. 2 rolls. Keep your breath. Lift up. Last time. Big slide, big push. Clap it up. Take it again. Come on. Push. Clap it. 4, 3, 2. Right foot. Take it up. Push. Add that little hop at the back. Get your heart rate elevated. Maybe take those arms higher. 2. We're gonna go into the left side. Left foot. Let's go. Push, push, in. That's it, y'all. Push. Arms up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grab a set of weights. I'm using 5 pounds. We're gonna head into some lower body work. Bring your feet wide, parallel feet. Drop the weights down. We're gonna take a drop down, up. Going into an alternating curtsy lunge with 2 pulses. We're gonna start center for 2, and then curtsy lunge for 2. Center for 2, other way, curtsy lunge. Try to keep a bend in the knees. Even through those transitions, we stay nice and low. Chest up on those curtsy lunges. Good, back. That's it, same flow. Take it back. So good, you guys. One more time. You get over to the left side. Bring it center. Drop and lift. Down. Big press. Down. Big press. Go for 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take 3 pulses and then twist with the knee lift. 3, 2. Lift your right. 3, 2, 1. Find the twist. Take 1 more each way here. And twist. Last one. Good. Back to your double pulse. Down for 2. Light. Back to those alternating curtsy lunges. Just get right into it, y'all. Feel the burn. Keep it strong. Sink. And squeeze. Keep it going. Squeeze. 1 more time each way. Last one here. Drop and lift to the center. Down. Press. Finding that hammer curl if it feels good for you. And that full extension at the top. 4, 3. We're gonna take those 3 pulses. Alternate left knees. Take it down right here. 3, 2, 1. Right knee twist. 3, 2, 1. Left knee twist. 3, 2, 1. Knee. So strong. Let's finish with these twists. 3, 2, 1. Twist. Last one. Full range. Squeeze. You made it, y'all. Hopefully those glutes, those legs are nice and warm. Feeling nice and strong. Last 2. And 1. Drop your weights. All right, y'all, we start with a little kick step touch, right and left. And then we swing it side to side. Let's go.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life.
Good, 2 more.
Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you lie.
Last one.
If you're feeling like you need a little bit of
Keep your feet wide. You're gonna punch to the front. Go right, left, right, left. Bring it in for 2. Do it again. Front, front, back, back. Big slide. Take it to the right. Go right, left, grapevine. Big slide. Grapevine. You got it. Good. Little kick step touch. Swing it side. Kick step touch. Kick step touch. Swing it out. Good. 2 more sets. Last time here. Punch your left. Front, front, back. 2 jumps. In. Now we slide it to the left this time. Push, grapevine, breathe. Slide. Push. Keep it going, yeah. Push. Push. Last set here. Finish it strong. Push. Push. Kick, step, touch to the left. Swing that, skin. Good, 2 more times. Swing it out. Last time. You got it. Punch your right arm. 2 jumps. Let's take it left time right here. Hey, hey. Let's take that slide to the right. Let's go. Finish strong, y'all.
You're my starlight, I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight.
Last time.
Baby, let me take you for a ride.
Good. Punch it front.
I got you.
2 jumps.
You're my starlight, I need you all night. Come on, dance with me.
Take it left time. Last time. Let's go. Finish it. Grab your weights, y'all. Last song of work. We're gonna get that upper body going. Bring your feet under your hips, hop under your knees, engage your abs. Weights are down by your thighs. We have an alternate wide row starting right. Pull right arm, left arm, right, left. Activate your shoulders, your lats. Pulling that weight up by your armpits, big squeeze. 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 If this is easy for you, that means you're super strong and you can do both arms at the same time. Otherwise we alternate and we're still super strong. Squeeze. Good, now hold at the bottom, you're gonna lift slow. Up for 2. Now to the front of your space. Up for 2. Down for 2. Take to the side, lift. And lower. Lift. So good, and lower. Keep it going. Inhale. Exhale. One more time to the side. And squeeze to the front. Good, hinge it forward, arms long. Find that narrow row. Now pull up. Both arms are gonna go together here. Squeeze, squeeze, reach. Pull your abs up and in, y'all. No arching in that low back. Squeeze and squeeze. Keep it going, up. This one's really nice. Hold this one at the top, hold up. Lift your chest, drop the weight, slide those arms up for 2. And down for 2. To the front, lift. And lower. Exhale. You got it, y'all. One more time each way. Little change coming up. Last one. Drop the weights, flip your palms, bicep curl. Take it up. And up. That's it, y'all. Squeeze, reach, squeeze, reach. Take it out to the side. Wide curl. Yes, curl. Burning out those biceps to finish off all your work today. Shoulders down. Good, hold it at your 90 degrees. Take a pulse right here, little pulse. Pulse. We're gonna take it front and side in 4, 3, 2. Take it front, you curl it front, drop, take it side, drop, curl front, curl side. Yes, doing that little U shape. 8. 4, 2. And 1. Good work, you guys. Set your weights down. Give yourself a round of applause. I hope you had fun today. I hope you got a good workout in. And if you like this video, let me know in those comments below. We'll see you next time.